been searching my whole life for you, never knowing where it lead me to. You brought me to a place I never knew. Every moment still a mystery. Every day I wake up in a dream. For the first time I can finally see that every path has led me straight to you. I jump back into every memory, do it all again together, you and me. There's nowhere else that I would rather be, 'cause every path has led me straight to you. Evermore, our love will grow. Every high and every low has led me straight to you. It's always been a mystery to me how two hearts can come together and love can last forever. But now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends a perfect one. Now gone are all my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life. Oh, I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me.
my heart, I'll be there too. And from this moment on, I want you to know I let nothing come between us, and I will love the ones you love. Now gone are all my questions about why. And I've never been so sure of anything in my life.
I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me. He made the sun, He made the moon to harmonize in perfect tune. One can't move without the other. They just have to be together. And that is why I know it's true. You're for me and I'm for you, 'cause my world just can't be right without you in my life. I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. He must have heard every prayer I've been praying. Yes, He knew everything I would need. When God made you, yes, He did. When dreams come true, when God made you, He must have been thinking about me.
I saw the part of you that only when you're older you'll see too. You'll see too. I held the better cards, but every stroke of luck has gotta bleed through. It's gotta bleed through. You held the balance of the time that only blindly I could read you, but I could read you. It's like you told me, go forward slowly. It's not a race to the end.
hides my love. She hides away like a ghost. Ooh, but she knows everything the same. Ooh, don't wanna cry, but I break that way. Always my love. I am searching high, I'm searching low in the night. Ooh, does she know everything I say? Ooh, don't wanna cry, but I think that way. Did she run away? Did she run away? I don't know. Two and one.
Congratulations and celebration. We want the world to know that you're happy as can be. Congratulations and jubilation. We want the world to know that you're happy as can be. We want the world to know that you're happy as can be. away. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a youth in your eyes says you know never leave me. There's a touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you see nothing at all. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Morgan Poli Sasna Sangatigu Kasar Sali Doshi Asli Karsa Ektai Kili Urgi Amchi Sahu Sali Voli Kalsa Chikola He Moja moga sota meu zona no dor polya vire tujer moja aja ismoso saurona sokalira gailyar sansada mulyar ragurona Wispasun poliar que de tufan ailiar Mog unes autzona Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. All right. Honey, honey, hold me. Don't stop, honey, if you don't mind stop. Honey, 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 alright. Honey, 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 don't stop.
Reaching for you from the endless dream. So many miles between us now, but you are always here with me. To you, calling your name in the midnight hour, reaching for you from the endless dream. So many miles between us now, but you are always here with me. Here with me.
Took the breath from my open mouth. Never known how it broke me down. I went in circles somewhere else. Shook the best when your love was home. Storing up on your summer glow. You went in search of someone else, and I hear your ship is coming in. Your tears are sea for me to swim, and I hear a storm is coming in. My dear, is all we've ever been. Caught the eye in the world.
To thank a few people, Mr. Rock Carvalho from Chandor for the beautiful deco, Ayush Photo Studio for the photography, xRapid Media for the videography, Silver Gold Caterers for the delicious food, Jelen for keeping us entertained throughout this afternoon, and all you lovely people for coming and attending this occasion and making it a memorable one for this beautiful couple. Mr. Domingo and Mrs. Teresa, may you all get many more years of your marriage and may God bless you both. Thanks to their sons for having me. This is Crystal Mashkarenis, your host for the afternoon, signing up for the day. Thank you and be safe.